I'm over here at my tailor's. So I usually go to get my shit tailored from her, but I'm tired of doing that shit. So I want to ask to see if she can teach me how to sew, bro. So I brought my sewing machine. So let's see what she says. Nothing really today. But
I said, well, you get this.
I just want to know how to like get the line in.
Sometimes like this, so good. When you pass the thread, it should be down. Push.
Sorry, go ahead, do your work.
Hi, how are you?
Homie's here. I'm gonna try out the new Babbies.
The doctor's here.
I don't want to fix up this spot.
Leave this in your other hand, bro. I'll show you something.
It's still gonna be too tight. You left it open. Alright, so found Hancock. This one, it says if you can't swim with the big fish, stay out the raft. And this one says life is full of important choices, Bourbon Street. And it has all this over here. What the fuck? Bro. And I straight up thought that's Murakami. Close enough though. We were talking about that one. Well, they got this one. I might do it actually. Yo, look at this, $10. This is clean. I might cop one actually. There's two. Cop both of them. Damn, they really about to have me walk out with bow in hand. Also found this nice green slime Adidas shirt. That's about it though. They don't really have much. They got Hinata, I think that's her name. They got this, some Dragon Ball Z stuff. Boruto, LaMelo. They got Tanjiro. Not really a big fan of Demon Slayer though. Coffee. Look at this on the clearance rack. 11. I think that's 11 in women, so it's like a 9.5. Yep. Going for 21 bucks. You already know that's good. Maybe use one for the pickle. It's gonna look very nice on court. Yep. I'll take both of them. Sheesh. Look at this. This is pretty nice. I wish it was the other 3 stripes though. Whoa, you see that price? I'm gonna try that on. It looks boxy, so might pull as an. I think you could pull off as a medium. But then look, I found this too. Extra large on there, but for 50, can't go wrong with that. Oh shit, this is fucking clean as hell. I ended up going to the Goodwill close by, and oh, I just saw this and it caught my eye. This isn't what I was gonna show y'all, but I saw the sleeve. It looked kind of cozy, so I was like, let me check it out. And I saw I got this back hit. So pass on that, but I saw what's right next to it, and I was like, yo, shit looking mad cozy. Okay, Mississippi Queen. Mississippi Queen! Run it. Look at this. Vintage Gore? The Gore Core? No, there's something. I feel like I'm just missing it. Like these ones. Be true to your school or something like that. Got a whole essay in there, maybe. You know what these remind me of now? Just after seeing this, some Dino Juniors. These are size 12 though. I'm back. Yeah, it's a lot of Adidas shit going on right now. Over some of the t-shirts I have right here that I cop. Cop the Gorillas tee. Hot Topic for around 22 bucks. I don't really like this material. And I think they got a sale that's buy one, get one half off or some shit like that. So I gotta get the extra large. And then got this Doro Hidoro. If you know, you know.
中のやつになんて言われた？お前は違うと。そんじゃもういらん。
Also extra large. You know, I might start wearing the white tee under again. I don't know. Cop a King's shirt.
Losing the basketball for a second, but the great talent by the young man with his hand.
Vintage Sonic tee, long sleeve.
Seattle Supersonics select Kevin Durant.
Perhaps the easiest pick in the history of the NBA
This
draft.
is a Nike vintage tee. Just do it. All this stuff on the back is right there, plain and simple. Move it. Nike tee. There's no finish line. From the pickup from the vintage shop. This is that Bud tee. The Hancock tee. I don't know if this is from the movie, but clean still. And this one right here, Big Fish tee. Cop this sweater, Mizuno. I think this is pretty clean logo. I don't know, like almost better than Nike. Low key hitter. You already know the steamboating. Mississippi Queen. Then I had that Adidas hoodie. I found this for 22 bucks. Ross. Little center hit, women's NBA. Thought it was pretty clean. Nike tee. Champs sweater, Burlington. Thought it would be a nice little car sweater. I don't know, something low key. 17 bucks. Also like that it's already cut on the edges right here. So let me show you what it looks like. I think it's solid. I know Champion's a little bit played right now, but it's still kind of low key. This. The homie got me this in Japan. Little Andy Warhol cause sweater. Found these Nike socks. Ross. I'll show the Ross things in a little bit. I keep forgetting. So the pickups from Stussy. Got this beanie. From the Stussy outlet. I'm thinking about this kind of ugly ass colorway. I'm thinking about dyeing it, but I don't know. We'll see. Got me looking like Kyle from South Park. I found this tee over there. Got the FL hit right there. Little tag hit right here. Size large. That one. The autumn collection. That's just hard as fuck. Sleeve hit on both sides. Kit as well. One world, one love. Very nice. And then my most favorite pickup. This shirt right here. The Ren and Snippy vibes.
Bet you wussies never worked a stinking day in your stinking little lives. Show me your hands. Just as I thought. Soft as a baby's head. These are the hands of a working man.
Large tag. Just the front hit. You know which one you think was the best. Onto the Ross Adidas pickup. You already saw the sweater. That's Adidas. I freaking picked up these at Ross. As you can see, I got them for 40 bucks. 40 bucks, and this is the only colorway I wanted too. And I would not pay the retail price for these. On these, I think they were about 40 bucks as well. Adidas Terrex, retail for this is 140, which is kind of crazy. Got this for 30 bucks. Oh, this is what it's looking like. Found this. Regard that, we're going back to Adidas right here. This green Nike hit, kind of like a dry fit Adidas shirt. This big hefty Adidas shirt, basketball logo. Little nice back hit right there. It's not a screen print. And if you see, it's kind of rubbery. One of those tight mock neck tees. I copped a couple boonie caps. Oh. Nike King shorts. Another Ross find. Right here, some Nike shorts. But I feel like my most favorite one, it's gotta be this right here. North Face. Found it at Ross for 30 bucks. Kinda use your imagination on how I'm gonna look. Yeah, I thought this was very clean. You can even do a fit with like, this is a whole Ross fit right here, look. Shirt from Ross, sweats from Ross, jacket from Ross, and then the shoes right here from Ross. You know it's about to start getting cold again too. Perfect timing. Didn't even get to show you the shorts as well. Some Adidas shorts. And then this, some Babe Coach. From the homie. Oh, some plushes right here. And I also got two more senders. Two more senders. I think I need any more senders after these two. I think I'm good. Alright, let me see what it's looking like. Oh. I can make these work. Damn, people really didn't like this? It's fucking clean. You guys are crazy. I'm happy that nobody likes these. You're not gonna see a lot of people wearing these then. Shit, maybe do the mismatch? I don't know. I think these ones are cleaner. But this one a little bit. This one might go with a lot more things, but beautiful. If you want to see my opinions on the Sunders, you can check that out on my channel. I made a review about them. Alright you guys, so that's everything I've caught recently. I'm gonna have to clean up this mess. And I'll catch up with you on the next one.